Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make Brookies, which combines brownies and cookies into one. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then to make the cookie dough in the bowl of a stand mixer, or you can use an electric hand mixer, add the softened butter, cane sugar, or you can just use white sugar, brown sugar, and salt, and beat them on a medium speed for about 3 minutes. And make sure you scrape down the sides to ensure even mixing. Then scrape down the sides again, and add in the eggs one at a time, mixing well after adding each one. And add in the vanilla extract, and mix it in until it's combined. Then beat it on a medium speed for another minute, making sure you scrape down the sides, and continue beating it until it's well combined. Then in a separate bowl, add in the pastry flour. You can use all-purpose if that's all you have, and baking soda, and whisk them together until they're combined, and add it into the wet ingredients, along with the mini chocolate chips, and mix them in on a low speed just until they're combined, and finish it by hand to make sure all the ingredients are mixing in. Then scoop teaspoon-sized balls and place them onto a baking pan. You'll need about 30. Then scoop tablespoon-sized balls with whatever cookie dough is left, and place them into the freezer for at least 30 minutes until they're frozen. Then to make the brownie batter, chop up the dark chocolate into small pieces, and add it into a heat-proof bowl, and add in the butter, and place it over a double boiler and heat it until they're both melted, stirring it constantly. You can do this in the microwave if you prefer. And once it's melted, remove it from the heat and set it aside to cool. Then in a large bowl, add in the eggs, sugar, salt, and vanilla extract, and whisk them together until they're combined, but don't whip the mixture. Then place the bowl over a double boiler and heat it until the mixture is warm. If your eggs are already at room temperature, you can skip this step. And you want to whisk it gently, because if you whip the mixture, it will add air into it, which will result in more crumbly and less fudgy brownies. So once it's ready, remove it from the heat, and pour in the chocolate mixture. Make sure it's cooled to room temperature, and whisk it in until it's combined. Then sift in the bread flour, or you can just use all-purpose, and fold it in gently until it's just combined. Don't overmix the batter. Then grease a 9 by 13 inch baking pan with nonstick cooking spray and pour in about a third of the brownie batter and spread it out until it's even. Then place in the larger chunks of cookie dough and place the smaller chunks into any gaps. Now you want enough cookie dough so that the brownie batter will cover all of it, but not too much or it will result in really dense brookies. You will have leftover cookie dough and you can put those back in the freezer for another time, or you can bake them off as regular cookies. Then pour the rest of the brownie batter over the top of the cookie dough, spreading it out to make sure it's all covered. And bake them in the oven for about 20 to 30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. And once they're done, remove them from the oven and let them cool completely, or you can serve them while they're still warm if you like. And that's how to make Brookies. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.